सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। Hello my lovely scholars. Children, today we are going to start one more chapter, that is chapter number 18, have, has and had. Let's begin, children. So children, let's see where we use have in this sentence. So children, we use have with I, we, you and they, and with plural nouns and pronouns. Which are the plural nouns? Names of animal, things and persons. Yes. In short, we can say with nouns, plural nouns, and with pronouns. Yes, which are the pronouns here? I, we, you and they. These are the pronouns. So children, we use have with these pronouns. Children, let's see some more examples. I have one pen and pencil. So children, here we have used have with I. Yes, and it is plural pronoun. So with plural pronoun, we use have. You have beautiful dress. So children, you, we have used have, and you is plural pronoun. They have read the van. Children, here they is the subject and it is plural pronoun. Alex and John have a football match today. Children, here Alex and John, here they are two persons. Yes, so they are plural noun. So with plural noun also we use have. Now let's see the usage of has. When we use has, we use has with he, she, it. In short, we can say with singular nouns and singular pronouns. He has a bicycle. She has a pink bag. Children, let's see the uses of had. Had is the past tense form of has and have. Children, as we use have and has with the present tense. Yes, so in the same way, we use had with the past tense. But children, we can use had with singular noun and plural noun also, and we use had with singular pronoun and plural pronouns. Let's see its examples, children. For example, if the sentence is in present tense, yes, we begin the sentence like this. I have a storybook. If I want to use the sentence in past tense, the sentence will be I had a storybook. Yes. Children, let's see one more example of both the tenses. So let's see first of present tense. She have with a gold medal in swimming. And the past tense form of the sentence will be she had won a gold medal in swimming. So children, you have had. This both are the verb. Yes, like and is, are, was and were. In the same way, have, has and had. They are also said to be the verb, the sentence. So children, here win is the verb. Yes, and here won is the past tense form of the verb. Win. Understood children? Verbs as, have and had shows that something is belongs or belonged to someone. For example, they have red big van. So children, your red big van belongs to them. She has a pink bag. So children, your pink bag belongs to her. I had a storybook. So children, your storybook belongs to me. So children, we use have, has with present tense and had with past tense. We use these verbs to show that something is belongs or belonged to someone. Children, let's begin the textbook exercises. Look at these sentences. I have 2 pens. My sister has a lovely bicycle. We had a little puppy. Like am, is, was and were, have, has and had are also verbs. We use them when we want to show that we possess something. Yes? So children, we use have, has and had to show that something belongs to someone. Have, has and had are also used as helping verbs. For example, I have learned my poem. My father has given me this pen. She had written a story. So children, now let's see exercise number A. Fill in the blanks with has, have or had. First one, the dress dash a beautiful pattern. So children, here subject is dress and it is singular noun. So singular noun we use has. So children, we use has with he, she or it. Yes. So children, here dress is the name of something. Yes. So we will use has. Second, his books dash no labels on them. This book have no labels on them. Yes, because the subject is books. There are many books. Yes, so if the subject is of plural noun or plural pronoun, we will use had. Yes, so had is used with I, we, you and they. Third one, we dash a heavy breakfast today. We have a heavy breakfast today because the subject is we and it is plural pronoun. Fourth one, Joker dash a funny face. But the Joker has a funny face. Yes, because the subject is Joker and it is singular noun. Yes, so with singular noun we use has. Children, now it's a homework time. Exercise number A. It is given in the page number 60. Complete the remaining questions with the good handwriting. Till then, goodbye.